A tiny seal catches a terrible cold in the freezing weather and his nose starts running non-stop, so he starts playing weird games with his own snot. His constant sneezing sends it flying onto the other seals, making them furious. One sneeze steals someone's fish, and another sneeze makes his snot stick to the ice, stretching out like rubber. A cold wind freezes it into a long, sharp icicle, and his next sneeze launches it like a weapon, knocking all the other seals straight into the ocean. After all that fun, he tires out and lies down, but during the night, the frozen snot blocks his nose and he struggles to breathe. He tries pulling it out, but it won't budge until one final massive sneeze shoots it flying out and the little seal jumps up in pure joy.